Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about this Volvo. This is 2020 Xc40. If you need to reset your maintenance required light, or if you change your oil and you haven't reset it, and you're gonna have a light come on. Let's say like for mine, if I start my car, this thing blinks and it says maintenance overdue. So what you want to do is press and hold this button and start the car. What you want to do is, without pressing the brakes, first press this button and then press and hold this button. While you hold this button, push your brakes and start the car. While you're still holding this, you'll see it'll blink 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then you let go, and that's how it's reset. And now you can turn it off, and then when you start it again, the light should be reset. So if you change the oil, or for maintenance required light, if you have it on, this is how you reset it. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll try to answer them if I can, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.